여행에 앞서 우주망원객 윤호지 여러분들에게 다음 말씀 드리겠습니다. 첫 번째, 잠시 시간은 간절하고 오직 저희들만 같은 정확하면 저처럼 우주선에서 핸드폰을 누릴 수 있습니다. 두 번째, 예상치 못한 설렘이 찾아올 수 있으니 마음을 단단히 준비하시고 역사와 감정을 세 번째, 제가 직접 전하는 메시지와 특별한 순간들은 절대 놓치지 않기 위해 소통 주파수를 맞춰주세요. 우주의 시간은 지구의 시간과는 다릅니다. 우주에서 찰나의 순간이라 불리는 이 시간을 여러분들과 함께 할 수 있게 돼서 정말 기쁩니다. 자, 그럼 이제 여러분들이 기다리고 있습니다. 별들이 당신의 무장을 밝혀주고
보겠습니다.
I really miss all of you.
많이 쓰니까. 다들 잘 지내셨죠?
How are you all?
괜찮아요.
Let's give a big round of applause.
오늘 이렇게 귀한 시간 내주셔서 정말 진심으로 감사드리고 정말 행복한 시간 그리고 오래 추억할 수 있는 시간이 되었으면 좋겠습니다.
Thank you so much. Sana will have a very precious time together, something that we can cherish for a very long time. Alright, maybe request is that you need to join us for Hello everyone, welcome back to Filipino! Hello, good evening. And I'm your host for tonight's Minhovers in the Philippines. My name is Rebecca! Thank you sa mga kapamakalas natin dyan. Thank you very much. And of course, you all know what Minhovers means, right? It represents Minho's very own world, this universe. And tonight, with our beloved Filipino Minos, we'll be traveling throughout the stars within this Minhoverse. Each star holds a special mission. So let's team up with you and complete the mission. Now,
네.
Bakit kayo lahat dyan? Medyo mahina, medyo mahina. Alright.
벌써 마지막 방송은 진짜
It's been a while, almost 2 years since nakabalik ka dito. Correct, correct. It's been 2 years since your last visit. And what words come to mind when you think of your Filipinos?
열정.
Passion? Yes. Alam naman ang passion dyan? That's true, that's true. Talaga. And you visited the Philippines quite a lot actually. So is there any place or any memory that stands out?
아무래도 필리핀은 예쁜 섬들이 많으니까
Well, Philippines is known for having beautiful islands.
섬을 가고 싶은데
I really want to visit one of the islands. Boracay, Cebu.
아일랜드.
그러니까 아는 데 말고 좀 안 가는데 사람들이 아직 잘 모르는 데 있으면 그런 데 가고 싶어요.
Well, of course, Boracay, Cebu, but I really want to go somewhere that's very unknown and unpopular.
Talim Island
and to
and
discover the beauty of it. Yes!
Sumama.
Many beautiful things to be discovered in the Philippines, including the Filipino people, right? Wow. So we can really feel how much you love the Philippines, Minos. Now let's officially begin our journey through Minhoverse. So shall we head to our first star? Handa ba kayo sa unang bituin? This star, which represents Minho's birthday, June 22. Cancer, my birthday is June 24. Diba? They're gonna show It's the most Minho-like space in the entire Minhoverse. Now, it's time for a special segment where Minho himself will answer the questions you sent in advance. And welcome to Ask Minho! Welcome, kulang ang enerhiya natin. So I'm curious to find out, gusto ko actually malaman, Minho, kung ano ba yung mga tanong na pinadala ng mga Minos. What are the questions that the Minos have said? So, shall we check the first one? Alright. Okay, here. Ano question to? When do you think, so ito yung, sino nagpadala nito? Taas ang kamay. Okay, hindi ko makita. But the question is, when do you think you feel the cutest?
저는 제가 귀엽다고 느낀 적이 없는데
Always.
I never really thought I was cute.
잘생겼어.
제가 저를 귀엽다고 느꼈거든요.
Well, it's just really the fans, the Minos that tells me that I'm cute, so if you're cute ako, but personally, I never really call myself a cute ako. Yes, do you think he's cute? Nakasang naman, do you think he's cute?
Pasimpleng cute.
Are you guys satisfied with this answer? Dito part na ito maingay. Kayo nakita nyo ngayon dito? When you listen to Stalker, is there a dance move that you instinctively do? And if ever, please teach us fans so that fans can follow along too.
Sasayaw na yan.
Ito na natin yung mga galaw ko, tagtula. Okay na ba?
Sampol! Sampol!
Wala talaga. Ano kaya?
의식하고 하지 않기 때문에 저도
Well, I don't really like, prepare the choreography. Parang impromptu kasi talaga to.
Oh, sige, sige. Later on, we will find out kung ano yung impromptu performances na ipapakita sa atin ni Mino. Ready ba kayo dyan? Alright, perfect. Now, let's move on to our next question. Let's get it. Okay, among all the characters you played, which one resembles you the most in real life?
어쨌든 연기를 할 때 공감되는 어떤 감정선을 저답게 표현하는 것들이 있기 때문에 모든 캐릭터에 다 조금씩 제가 느끼는 건 없습니다.
I think all the characters that I portray, because syempre, each character that I portray, there's a little bit of myself on it. Every time I have to do this emotional, I have to really show off the emotion line of it. So I guess all of it has a little bit of myself in it.
Do you guys agree?
Hindi, mamili ka dapat.
Huwag na natin ulitin kung ano talaga kasi may kanya-kanya yung mga favorite characters na pinasulit. Alright!
여러분들은 어떤 캐릭터가 가장 좋으셨나요?
How about you guys? What kind of character and which one would you really like?
Junpyo! Junpyo!
조정도 안 하고
Now, let's move on to the next question. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito gagawin. Can you express your MBTI in 4 facial expressions? Can you, like, I or E, N or S, something like that?
그 필리핀에서도 MBTI라고 하나요?
Sikat din ba ang MBTI dito sa
Hindi,
Pilipinas?
nakikiuso lang.
요새는 다 MBTI로 만들고
Kasi di ba ngayon maraming nagtatanong ng MBTI? Facial expression?
뭔지 얘기하지 말고 표정으로만
So hindi ko sasabihin, huhulaan ba ninyo?
Yan ang hulaan natin. Hulaan natin. Let's go.
Sige, for the stop.
Ang kulit.
Yes, letter.
Talaga ba?
Ano ba yung next? Ano ba yung
N or S?
아니야 계획형 아닌데
plan? Or ano ba yung N? Ano ba yung S?
Yung N intuitive, yung S simplistic. Ay, bida-bida. Ano?
Ensing ang body.
Sensu.
S.
이거는 잘 모르겠어요. 저 애기가
Ah.
애기 뭐예요?
Dito ka sa Lanang Express.
Sumichi. Tama ba yung
애기
Luigi?
지가?
At ano mo yung Luigi dito eh? Masyado ng passion. Kaya nakaalam ko yan siya.
직관장.
Oo, I'm intuitive talaga.
How is the end?
Danang daan.
Ayun lang talaga ang pinakakaya.
I think so. Pwede na yung sa end, no? Pakapakita na siya sa end. Very good.
다음 거는 쉬울 거.
I think madali talaga yung next.
That was the next one. Ano siya? Letter? Sa letra?
T.
T. That's thinking, right?
ENT.
ENT, tama.
And the last letter is okay.
P인데 P.
P, ako, pero paano kaya tayo pakita?
Perceiving.
I'm a P.
Okay, so you are ENTP.
ENT.
The debater. Very good, ENTP. May mga ENTP ba dito? Okay, next question for the pinadala ng mga fans natin is, do you have personal advice on how to relieve stress? And how do you handle burnout? Do you have any tips that you would like to share with us?
일단은 잠이 제일 중요한 것 같습니다. 잘 자야 돼요.
I think sleep is most important. Kailangan talaga matulog ka na ng maayos.
저도 그제 도착했거든요. 그제 15시간 잤습니다.
You know, I arrived 2 days, like 2 nights ago, and natulog ako ng napakahimling for 15 hours.
필리핀이 잘 맞나 봐요. 잠이 잘 자고.
I think bagay na bagay ako sa Pilipinas.
Oh my gosh! Maganda guys, kapag stress kayo, it's really sleep. We have to sleep very well. Alright! Nakapag-screen up na ba ang lahat sa mga tanong at mga nakapag-picture na mga lahat? And it's also, very nice to see a new side of Minho. And of course, big thank you once again sa mga Minos na nagpadala ng questions in advance. Are you guys still having fun? Do you guys want more? Perfect. Since we have successfully completed the mission for Star L622, Minho has prepared a special gift for all of you, which we will find out. Alright, so this will be the first time since 2013 for you to perform this song.
Oh my God.
It's a song that was very loved by Minos even back then. And you will be singing.
Painful heart?
네, 리드아웃라는 노래 불러드리도록 하겠습니다.
I'll be singing without you.
Oh!
Let's enjoy this ticket. From us to all, from me to all of you.
Thank
talaga namang natunaw at manlambot tayong lahat, hindi ba? So, Mino, could you say something sweet for our Filipino Minos? Like, for example,
제 기억 속에 마하기타 뒤에 꽃가루는 뭐죠?
I remember last time, mahal kita ko kayo. Ano ibig sabihin ng ko
Anong
kayo?
ko kayo? Mahal kita ko kayo.
mahal kita is just one is to one. Kayo is like everyone.
꽃가루.
Ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo.
Yes. Let's now take our seats and proceed to our next. My Filipino versions wonderful pa dito. Love it. So in this segment, we will get to know more about our beloved actor, Minho. And it's time for Iconic Character from your upgrade segment. There you go, where we will revisit his most iconic drama roles, especially his recent role from When the Stars Gossip. Yes, of course, and as we all know, When the Stars Gossip has been incredibly popular here in the Philippines, so let's dive into Minho's guided romance with some of his most heart-fluttering and nakakakilig na characters. Play video.
나랑 만나봅시다.
제가 궁금한데요. 여러분들은 약간 그 공룡처럼 이렇게 조심스럽게 당신 좋아해도 됩니까? 이런 게 좋아요? 아니면 부족부족처럼? 오늘 빙판처럼?
I have a question for all of you. Ano ba talaga gusto ninyo? Do you like the
Oh my God! Pag ikaw pa.
I really want to know what Minho's like.
그러니까 어쨌든 뮤직비디오는 조금 더 남자답게라고 하면 그렇지만 어쨌든 감력 있게 있는 그대로 좀 얘기하는 걸 더 선호하시는 거죠.
So I guess yung sagot is in the Philippines, mga Filipino Minos, gusto niyo medyo parang malakas, yung parang katulad ng Kujupyo.
I don't think so. I don't think so. So actually, the question is, assuming that this is from Minho standing in the girl's point of view, which of the three would be total deal breaker? How about you? If you're the girl, what would you
제가
do?
용납할 수 없는
Yes, if you're the girl, what would be like? Parang di ko yung type.
that.
Oh, among the two.
So pili ako ko na.
근데 생각보다 약간 그 고백에 진심이 있어서 사실
Pero kasi yung sila, lahat sila very sincere. At may point din naman yung approach nila, di ba?
저는 사실 진정성 없는 고백만 아니면 될 거예요.
So for me, I feel as long as it's heartful and sincere, kahit anong klase the way it is said, I don't think it really matters.
Puro ganun yung sagot.
Galing sa puso.
Ayaw mamili.
Now, the question now is, out of the three characters, which one do you think resembles your real personality the most?
적당한 자신감과 적당한 배려가 섞여 있는 김탄이 딱 중간에
Because of him, parang siya yung nasa gitna. He has the perfect balance of the confidence and also understanding the girl. So I think it's Kim Tan who shows the perfect.
Alright, okay. I love that. Happy ba kayo sa sagot niya? Perfect. Now, let's go to the second part. Video, please.
Oh my God. Kamot ulo na lang siya. I love you.
Siguro kapag kiss ako, siguro wala na akong marinig dahil ang lakas ng music.
Okay, so the second part was all about the Kiss Master Class. Three kisses. Which one do you think carried the most meaning in terms of the storyline? O sa aking storyline ito, about the storyline.
키스에 정책이 없다라고 생각하고
Well, for me, I really don't think there's anything like a master class how to learn how to kiss.
Kainis.
그리고 이런 식으로 찍을 때 어떻게 해야겠다라고 생각하고 하는 게 아니기 때문에 많이 기억이 나지 않습니다.
And every time I film or shoot this kissing scenes, I really don't like have this certain way paano ako mag-kiss. I just really go on with the flow of the story.
The most takes to get married.
NG가 많이 났던 거는 그 무중력 키스 씬 NG 많이 났습니다.
Yung pinakamarami talaga yung mga retakes was the one I had to do with zero gravity.
왜 자꾸 위치가 안 맞아가지고
Kasi hindi ko talaga makuha-kuha yung location. Yung nakatugma.
Medyo mahirap yun, ganun-ganun sila.
Kainis.
Satisfied with his answers? Alright, thank you so much. Now we've seen Minho's Guide to Romance featuring unforgettable characters portrayed by Minho. He never fails to awaken our romantic senses with his roles. Now, let's give Minho a big round of applause. Palakpakan naman ulit natin siya. And we will let him step away for a while so he may prepare for our next segment. Alright, thank you so much. Yes. Happy pa kayo, guys? Gusto niyo ba lumapit pa siya? Alright. The next star, the next star we've landed on holds something incredibly special in Minho's universe. It's the one and only Minho's verse, the star that represents all of you. Palakpakan. Very good. Here in Minho's verse is all about teamwork. Minho and his Minos will work together to complete fun missions. So now it's time for the Minos Team Challenge! So sa inyong lahat, kanina pag pagpasok nyo, nakapagsagot na ba kayo dun sa QR code?
Yes!
Sino ang hindi nagsagot? Taas ang kamay. Ay, bakit hindi nyo sinagutan? Ako, kailangan sagutan nyo yan. And then we will take a look at the characters representing each team section. Yan. So as you know, diba, bawat section sa book meron kayong i-represent na isang character. And I also heard that for each top on the Asia Tour, the winning team or section receives a very unique gift. So Nico, what's the special prize for tonight?
제가 직접 녹음한 음성 메시지와 사진을 드릴 예정입니다.
Well, I'll be giving you a very specialized, personalized voice recording and a picture.
Very good, very good. Now, so we have our very first, the legendary ending scene World Cup. Minho's dramas are known for their unforgettable endings, so let's take a look at some of his most iconic final moments. Shall we see the scenes from the drama? Play video.
Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry. Ay! Wow!
Diba? Sa dagat sila nagtapos. Between the two, do you remember any memorable behind-the-scenes moments while filming those final scenes?
일단 너무 정신없게 사실 막 찍었었던 촬영들이라 딱히 다른 에피소드들이 존재하지 않는데 되게 오랜만에 지금 엔딩식 보는데 참 부족하답니다. 조준필님이랑 결혼 줄리아라고 하는 게
Well, you know, actually when we were filming those two, when I was filming those two dramas, parang medyo it was a very busy and hindi ko talaga maalala lahat because it was overwhelming as well with the whole storyline and I really enjoyed filming of each. Pero as I recall and rewatch the scenes, especially yung voiceover, yung first video na nakita natin, yung voiceover flowers, si Kujupyo pala, super Kujupyo ang dating.
Anong super good yun? Good yun.
Well, I have a question, hindi ko na sa maalala. Did they get married?
Yun na nga yung ending.
Isa pa sila?
지금 갑자기 기억이
Tanda mo na kakalala.
Hindi sila napakasal.
Sa mga imagination ko siguro, inasal ko sila. Mga fanfiction. Alright. Let's watch our next iconic scene.
그럼에도 불구하고 우리는 지금
시작도 끝도
Miss-phone mo na.
여기서 모두 힘드니까 생명체 우주의 주인이 모여만
sa kanila.
So, the Heirs had an ending that really captured the freshness of youth, while When the Stars Gossip left us with lingering emotional afterglow. What kind of feeling did that ending leave you with?
그쵸, 이제 별들에게 물어봐가 가장 최근 작품인데 저는 요 살아있는 모든 것은 기적이다라는 대사를 원체 좋아하고 제가 이제 한 살 한 살 먹을수록 살아갈수록 우리가 이렇게 살아 숨쉬고 소통하고 교감하는 게 얼마나 대단한 일인지 새삼 느끼게 되는 것 같습니다.
When the Stars Gossip, that is like the latest one, it really it went into my heart about everything, especially yung last dialogue niya, that everything alive is really a miracle. And as I age year by year, I just really realized that just to be alive and to breathe and to communicate and just to be with everybody that mahal natin, that is actually what the best meaning of life is. It's very significant.
정말 우리는 기적 속에 살고 있고 지구라는 곳에서 또 이 기적 속에 우리가 같은 공간에서 숨쉬고 있다고 생각하고 여러분들도 늘 기적 속에 살아가시고 계신 아주 특별한 사람들이니까 항상 행복하셨으면 좋겠습니다.
Basically, our life is we're living day by day in miracles. Just to live together, just to breathe, and just to be together with all of us together. Itself is a miracle day by day. Thus, I really want all of you to appreciate the daily miracle that's happening and to really make the most of it and be really happy.
Grabe talaga, hindi lang pala saya at kilig mo pa ang mga life lessons din. Ang makukuha natin dito sa fan meeting na to. We love it. Thank you so much for that. Ngayon na nakita na natin ang apat na legendary ending scenes. Let's get into the World Cup Showdown! Time to pick the best of the best. Legendary ending scene, World Cup. So, you're gonna have to
Yan na ba yan? Bakit galing ang kalaban? Hindi rin ako makapili.
Masyado parang close match.
치열한 매치예요.
It's just really too hard to decide.
김태환!
So for this round is Kimhan. Now for the next battle.
Dodging din! Kim-tan.
Alright. So now we are in the final round. It's down to Kim-tan and Minhyun. Minhyun, please.
Favorite mo yan, ah.
Of the legendary ending scene as chosen by Minho is The Heirs with Kim-han. Now,
아니 우리 집 갈래가 필리핀어로
And I miss, how do you say, like, wanna go home with me sa Tagalog?
Oh my God!
Let's go home together.
Umuwi na tayo.
uwi tayo sa bahay ko. Uwi tayo. Ay, uwi tayo sa bahay ko.
Uwi na tayo yung tayo.
Tama ba?
Uwi na tayo.
Gusto mo uwi sa bahay ko? Uwi tayo sa bahay ko.
여기 한번 컴퓨터 써가지고 뒤에 오인이라고
Sa bahay ko.
사방하고
Dad? Parang...
Huwag niyo ako i-judge ha, kasi kung ano pa niyo.
우리 집 갈래? 오인이라고 써가지고 집이구나.
Yeah, uwi tayo is let's go home.
Uwi tayo.
Alright.
Hindi, walang uuwi.
아니지, 내는 물어봐야 되는 거예요.
It's like you want to go home with me. Uwi tayo sa bahay mo. Let's go. Ganun. Uwi kita.
Tara! Tara sa bahay! Tara sa bahay! Ganun yung gusto niya.
Is na uwi tayo sa bahay ko. The first one is, ano kayo? Sa Ara?
Uwi tayo sa bahay ko. Yung pangalawa, uwi kita.
Uwi kita! Kainis!
Ano yung first na sinabi niya, Ara?
아, 그냥 우익 있다가 연습하잖아요. 그거 이렇게 하고.
Ano?
Lagi ka nila!
Uwi tayo sa, I bring it home. Hindi ako Next segment. Ano kasi ito ang next segment? Okay, before that, let's see who is in the lead zone.
Kingston.
Alright.
Dun sa ano. Yung A!
Okay. Parang yung A tsaka E medyo same, no? Congratulations. Now, reading ang A, technically. But then, we're not yet done. We have more games to go. So, let's keep going. And talagang manalig lang tayo ng team natin ng Mananawa. Alright, shall we move on to the next challenge? Are you ready? Okay. It's time for the Level Up mini game. For this one, we'll randomly choose 2 lucky names from the audience. They'll be joining people on stage to play some games together.
Oh my God! Ala! Muntik ka na! 105 tayo! Nakakuruan? Kaya nga, muntik ka na 105 tayo! Mali ng section! Ay! Ang swerte naman!
When we were waiting for the
Swerte!
for the we will decide on what we will do. Alright? So we're gonna have a roulette. And then please stop. If you are ready.
Stop!
Ay! Tumbang preso.
Iyan ang tumbang preso. Sasaktan ko.
저 몰라요.
Amo na yun.
So we will teach you. It's, so there's, you know the slipper, right? And there's a dilata. Good. Sipa, like that. Got it? Okay. So now let's move on to the forward. To the forward.
Napaka-pogi! Talaga.
왜 자꾸 들어가죠?
Grabe!
아이비, 말씀해주세요.
Wow! She looks very far.
Grabe. Mindanao.
Super south. Where is the Mindanao? Wow! Cotabato? South Cotabato. Super like Philippines. This is the Manila. And super last part. Akyatin kayo? Lagay mo na yun, sir. Sir, Miss ID, you will be given 3 times. 3 times. But we will give her the chance.
Wala naman tamaan yung camera mo nila.
Kayo ang masababa, no? Tinamaan.
Dapat pa ganun yung bato eh.
아니 근데 이게 스피커는 이유가 있어요?
Tayo kailangan sleepers dito sa game na to.
이 전통 게임.
Oo.
This is traditional game.
At gusto ko sumunod kayo.
원래는 10분 있던 사람들이 이렇게 해서 마실 거 아니에요?
Maglaro ka na lang.
Yes, because in the Philippines, it's hot weather, right? So, we always wear sleepers outside. Rubber.
Have you tried this before? Nagawa na to?
Everyone!
아, 이거야.
We're very good for Olympics.
Olympics.
You have 3 tries. And then,
Lapit naman.
you later. Third.
Yung tawa niya. Yung tawa niyo.
May years ago talaga yan.
No. Shake everything.
She everything.
You have 1 point. Thank you so much. Would you like to say anything to Mr. Lee?
Sarangin mo na yan. Shot na yan.
What? Wow, bagay na bagay.
Living home in the Philippines.
Oh, you're part of the family.
I am an admin of the Fat Club.
모자도 쓰고 오셨네요, 모자도.
Pag we had mo, match na match.
He knows.
Okay, what's your name first?
Connie.
Connie.
아니, 말씀.
Where are you from? Let's go. Corey. First, Sinelas.
Ready.
Grabe, tawag na talaga kapag ano sa blind. Grabe.
Second.
Amuyin mo na te.
Wow! Ano ba premyo?
Kanya pa dapat. Mahal natin siya.
Okay, go to the
Tumbang preso, may tumbang mineral ah.
그럼 선물
So we have 1 point for Connie and then another point for Ivy. So ang question dito is sino mananalo? Si Minho or yung fans? So you have to get at least 2 points to win over the fans.
네, 해보겠습니다.
Yes, I'll try.
Woo!
You have to go like this.
Yeah!
Tangkad ba naman eh?
It's okay. But at least he got 2 points.
Oh, tie!
Yeah.
It's a tie!
For this game
Mali ako
is
sagot.
si Minho.
Ah, okay.
Got 2 points out of the 3. And of course, maraming salamat to Ivy and Connie for being game. Walang makano natin si Ivy at si Connie.
Sabi ang
So
tangkad.
now, we will find out which section ang nangunguna in this round.
Mali nga sagot ko.
가서 볼까요?
Okay. So, sino na muna? E. Letter E, right? Section E. Right? Section E. Correct. Section E. Now, we have another game. Are you ready? Okay. Before we proceed to the next game, let us pick another fan. Only one fan.
Oh my gosh!
Can we have the Renata or the stop?
Ano ba yan? Ah, Petro, ng swerte. Pero hindi yung section natin.
Babana! Hihintayin ka namin bago ko makikita. And while we are waiting for the fans, are you guys having fun?
Yeah!
Let's go. Magpili kayo na kahintay nyo. Meron na tayong medics sa labas. Are you ready? Guard. Guard. Come on, come on. Let's go. Pinaghihintay na si Ino. Sino naghihintay? Let's go.
Nag-retouch
Come
pa
on.
si ate.
Yeah, let's go.
네, 알겠습니다.
Yes.
Come on, come on. Ako ate. So basically,
Ay, volunteer! Ayaw niya!
natin, for sure, kayo ay maiinggit at magsiselos dahil it's called pagbabaluan.
Ayan na yun! Oh my God! Ayan yan? Ayan na yun! Yung silang dalawa, yung magpuputok. Ah! Grabe naman, Lord! Anak mo din ako!
How about this twice? Around 8 to 10?
Wow! So do you think you can get 15?
15개는 쉽지 않을 것 같습니다.
Okay,
Where are you at 15?
okay, forget it. Hello po! Ate, what's your name? Vilma. Taga-saan ka, Miss Vilma? Vilma, name?
Pangasinan.
Oh, Pangasinan. Alright, are you ready to play the game?
Yes.
아니, 이 풍선 터뜨리를 해보신 적은 있나요?
Have you done this balloon pop the game?
Ayan.
Shock na shock! Shock na shock yun! Ang cute!
Where? Ano ginawa? Anak pa!
Ala! Yung tawa ni Mimi sa karap mo!
She thought it's like this. Not that one. It's like this. Ready ka na ba? Are you ready? Huh? Ano daw? Okay.
고맙습니다. 잠깐 정신이 이런다 저런다 끝나 있을 거예요.
Don't worry, as in gusto ko ma-imagine na konting saglit na, tapos na to agad.
Natatawa si Mimi! Bakit galing ho?
Silent or from?
잘한다.
Okay, ready?
해보겠습니다.
Okay, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, timer. Start.
Ala, grabe naman! Bakit ka nila? Grabe! Four? Ano ko three?
You know like this in Korea, parang kulang na kulang dito ang bilang.
아쉽습니다.
Ang sayang.
Yes, sayang talaga, pero wala tayong magagawa. Pero ano feelings mo, Ate Con? Lila.
No, this happened. So very much.
Satisfied yung pagharap.
Ano?
Medyo nagkakagulo po tayo ngayon. But it's okay, nag-enjoy naman ata ang lahat, right? Did you have fun?
It was really fun.
Yes, the Filipinos are very fun.
Natuwa talaga siya, no? Pag-game siya.
We will find out.
Hindi naging siya.
Yung
Yung iba parang awkward din na gumaging siya, no?
Let's find out kung sino ang team na mananalo. Let's go.
Pogi!
to build our
Uwi na tayo, Minho.
Yes! Yan, palakpakan lang natin guys, nakumpleto natin ang mga natin. Right! And the Minho's universe is shining even more beautifully tonight because we are together with Minho's. Now that Minhoverse map is complete, let us pick our lucky fan who gets to take a special gift prepared by Minho. Alright, tapos na tayo, no? To pass by the information desk after the show to
Ay, ala ko akyat.
Now we're gonna read the VIPA W9 VIPA W9. Congratulations. Please make sure to drop by the information desk later and show your ticket to play your special prize. Yeah. So for now, we will have Minho step off the stage. We will have Minho step off the stage for a while to prepare for the next program. Thank you so much for having natin si Minho. Together with your Filipino Minos team.
I love you!
재밌었습니다.
It was really fun.
항상 내가 좀 맛있게 하시네.
Medyo nanghihinayan ako sa 4 rows
dun sa ano, sa pan.
Hindi ko kamubon. Amanda!
And guess what, guys? Minho has one last gift prepared, and this one for every single Minos here tonight. It's a special video message straight from the heart. Let's watch it together now.
Ganyan. Hi.
Mukhang sasayaw siya sa outfit niya ngayon ah.
We always are together in that area.
이 순간의 기억들을 영원할 것입니다.
We will always remember the moment that we spent together. much that I've been here actually in 2 years. And then napaka-init na yung pagtanggap sa akin.
시간이 지날수록 이렇게 무한한 사랑을 주는 게 얼마나 대단한 건지 세상 깨닫게 되고
And we want to thank all of you, and I didn't realize that every year, each year that passes by, this unconditional love that you're giving me, it really means a lot.
그 힘으로 제가 조금 더 좋은 사람이 되기 위해 노력하는 것 같고 또 그 힘으로 배우로서 아주 여러 감정들을 잘 담을 수 있는
And with that love you have given me unconditionally, it really makes me be a better person, also a better to portray another role for all of you. It really encourages me a lot.
Sadly, it's time for us to wrap up our journey through makeovers. So to remember this moment together, shall we take a group photo? And we call our photographer.
Buti nakuha ng banner.
Let's do this!
Ang piraso lang pala, dalawa.
Welcome to the Philippines, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Welcome back to Manila.
Siya ba yun?
Ay, welcome back to the Philippines. Hi, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hi, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila.
Sige, okay lang. Mamaya na lang. Mamaya. Kasi kuha na ako.
Hello, Minho. Hope you're having a great time in Manila. From the words and experience how happy I am to see you again. And of course, your Philippine kilos again. Next week, see you. Now, I am your lovely fan from Philippines and I am hope to see you soon. Wishing you all the Philippines and good health.
I didn't have a chance to get close to when I was in Malaysia, so this time, I wish I could. Thank you so much for inspiring me. See ya!
Hello, my
Siya yan. Yung kanina. Siya yung
It's your friend back here in the Philippines.
Hi, hello! Welcome back to Manila! You're not just an actor, guys. You have a clue what music and I love you. Thank you for being my life and my constant support. Thank you for sharing us and treating us well.
gwapo ni Limin.
Okay, so guys, maraming salamat sa lahat ng gumawa at participate sa video na yan, but would you like to have a group photo? Would you like to say anything to the fans? Group photo? Yes! Okay, ready ba?
Di pa, pinapanood lang sa'yo kanina.
Put up your banners, everyone! Show your best smile!
Kasi na wala. Smile.
1, 2, 3! That's awesome! We love you, Evening Hall! And 3, 2, and go! We love you, Evening Hall! Right! Thank you so much! And of course, now to close our Minhover journey, Minho has prepared one final gift for you, his song, Always. And this is also where I say goodbye. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tonight, guys. Once again, this is your game. Thank you for being with us tonight. And have a great time. Bye!
Ano ba yan? Diyan pa talaga sila nag-ano.
행복하시길 바랍니다.
Until we meet again, please be healthy and be happy.
Thank you, Philippines. I love you.
Babay daw pa.